Hello friends, today our topic is compensatory cost and now we will discuss the topic of compensatory cost. Introduction of the compensatory cost. It is the principle of natural justice that parties to be sued or proceeding out route to bear the expense in the assertion of their right before the court. Section 53 and 35A of CPC deal with the law relating to cost in the suits. So now we highlight this in order to secure the expense incurred by a successful party in the litigation and discourage false or vicious allegation. So now we will discuss importance of allegation. So now relevant provision. Following are the relevant provision of CPC regarding the topic of cost. Number 1. Section 35 for actual cost. Section 35 of the compensatory cost and the 35A is also the compensatory cost. Cross reference. Order 9 Rule 9, Order 13, Order Rule 2 and Order 4 and Order Rule 1932A, Order 21 Rule, Order 22, Order 72 and Order 23. And now the Article 199 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973. Meaning of cost. Cost means procuring allowance made the successful party and the recoverable from the losing party for his expense, his prosecution or defending an action or distinct procedure within action. So now we discuss the kinds of cost. So it is the most important. And now we discuss the kinds of cost may be classified into the following kinds. And number 1, actual cost under section 35 CPC, compensatory cost under section 35A, special cost under section 35A and under the article 199 of 1973 Constitution. Special cost under the Constitution. Actual cost under section 35. Actual costs are awarded by a court to litigant in order to secure to him the expense of the incurred by him in the litigation. Costs are incident for all the suits. The word incident to all suits, it's wider enough to cover costs incurred by party before the filing of the suit. So a party may also claim the cost incurred by him before filing of the suit. Discretion of the court. So now we will discuss the discretion of the court is so important. Costs under section 35 are in the discretion of court, but its discretion must be judicial discretion and it is be exercised keeping in view of the particular circumstances of each cases. So now we discuss the limitation on the districts of the court. Section 35 also made the discretion of court subject to the following limitation. Number 1, limitation description. So now we will discuss the limitation of the suits. So now the limitation prescribed by for the time being in force. For example, under section 38 and under section 18 of a Specific Relief Act 1877. So if there is vendor sued for the under specific performance of an agreement to sell is dismissed, an account to impact or to the vendor shall bear in the cost of the opposite party where cost to be paid. General rules. So now it is the general rule that is unsuccessful party to the litigation that have to bear the cost and stranger to proceeding can't bear it. Exceptions. Following are the exception to the affordable general rule. In some cases, strangers to the proceeding after due notice called upon to pay the cost and real honor in a suit filed by beneminder. In some cases, even successful party may be ordered to bear the cost to an unsuccessful party. For example, abuse of rest so to B and it's willing to pay him that sum without B claim X 150 and sues A for the amount one plaintiff can be filled. A pay can be filled and the neutral of the parties. So now we discuss interest on cost. Court has power to fix interest on cost not exceeding 6% for annum, and such interest is to added the cost and shall be recoverable for any such eligibility where cost not be paid. So the topic is finished and now we are happy. So now thank you for watching.